Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited to show you my new Beretta 92X. Now, this is not like other Beretta handguns from the past where they were made in Maryland. No, instead, this was made after the evacuation of Beretta from Maryland to Tennessee as a result of the Democrat gun control laws and overburdensome taxes that they place on our local businesses. Now, this Beretta is not like every other Beretta you've seen in the past. No, instead, this does not have a safety. That's right. Your eyes do lie to you. That is not a safety there. Instead, that is what we call a decocker. So when you use that, what appears to be a safety, it actually only decocks the hammer and does not make the firearm mechanically safe. No, instead, it takes it from a single action back to a double action. All right? That is why I love this firearm so much. Zero safety, all competence.